Is it time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Apple. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 21st of January, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with a more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 21st, 2025, our system has ranked Apple as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.29. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the days ahead. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of 8.05% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 8.05% to 28.09%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 43.20% over the next 12 months, with a potential return between 43.20% and 69.67%. This corresponds to a price range of $318.82 to $377.75 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Apple includes the headline, Apple stock downgraded to sell candidate. The Apple stock price decreased by 3.19% on the last day, which was Tuesday, the 21st of January, 2025, falling from $229.98 to $222.64. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 2.30%, ranging from a low of $219.38 to a high of $224.42. The price has declined in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 8.51% during this period. The volume increased on the last day by 28 million shares, although this occurred amidst falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, and the risk is expected to rise slightly over the next few days. In total, 95 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $21.22 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $260.09, while the lowest price was $164.08. Currently, the price is 14.40% or $37.45 below the 52-week high of $260.09, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Apple Inc. is encountering significant challenges that are affecting its stock performance as we enter the year 2025. On January 21st, AAPL shares fell by nearly 4% in response to reports indicating an 18.2% decline in iPhone sales in China during the previous quarter, a crucial market for the company. 2 analyst downgrades have raised concerns regarding weak demand for the iPhone, particularly the AI-driven iPhone 16, which has received mixed reviews, in part due to its major features being unavailable in China. Furthermore, the company has experienced stagnant revenue growth, with a compound annual growth rate of less than 2% over the past 3 years, which is lagging behind inflation. Analysts remain cautious, with some suggesting that AAPL may miss its quarterly revenue forecasts. In contrast, the competitive landscape has evolved, with Nvidia surpassing Apple in market capitalization, now holding the title of the world's most valuable company. Nvidia's stock has surged by nearly 240% over the past 2 years, highlighting the widening gap between these tech giants. In the short term, these factors may contribute to ongoing volatility in AAPL's stock price as investors react to the downgrades and sales concerns. Looking ahead, Apple could face sustained pressure unless it successfully revitalizes demand for its products and capitalizes on growth areas such as services and wearables. Investors may need to closely monitor upcoming earnings reports for indications of recovery or further decline. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 21st of January, 2025, it was reported that Needham assigned Apple a buy rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 9th of January, 2025, it was reported that Barclays assigned Apple an underweight rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 7th of January, 2025, it was reported that MoffettNathanson assigned Apple a sell rating with a downgrade action. On Friday, the 3rd of January, 2025, it was reported that Bernstein assigned Apple an outperform rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 18th of December, 2024, it was reported that Daiwa assigned Apple an outperform rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Apple stock a general neutral rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. When it comes to return on investment, analysts have rated the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Apple. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The Apple stock is showing sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, providing a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general sell signal exists, indicated by the long-term average being above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance can be expected at the levels of $231.90 and $244.24. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Thursday, the 26th of December, 2024, and since then, the stock has declined by 14.05%. A further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is a current sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Yesterday, volume increased alongside falling prices, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting that closer monitoring of the stock is advisable. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots showed a sell signal 16 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy opportunity from 1 day ago. The short-term moving average indicated a sell signal 15 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a sell signal 10 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages pointed to a buy signal 8 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a sell signal 13 days ago. The long-term moving average showed a sell signal 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 168 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. Apple finds support from accumulated volume at $222.01. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when this support is tested. The stock typically exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with favorable trading volume, the risk is categorized as medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $5.04 between its high and low, which represents a change of 2.30%. In the past week, the stock has experienced a daily average volatility of 2.33%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Apple, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is expected on the 30th of January, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $2.36. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Apple. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Apple is at $224.23. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Apple encounters its first support level at $222.01. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Apple from various analyst sources remains neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 1st of January, 2025, Parek Kevin made an insider purchase of 36,767 shares of restricted stock unit. On the 16th of December, 2024, Williams Jeffrey E. executed an insider sale of 13,925 shares of common stock. On the same day, Williams Jeffrey E. conducted another insider sale of 34,752 shares of common stock. Again on that day, Williams Jeffrey E. sold 42,939 shares of common stock. On the 16th of December, 2024, Williams Jeffrey E. also sold 8,384 shares of common stock. Analyzing the most recent 100 insider trades, we found that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 27.711. In total, insiders acquired 2,096,037 shares while selling 3,807,852 shares in these 100 trades. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and we have not established a stop loss. Is Apple stock a good buy? The Apple stock shows several negative signals, and despite a positive trend, we anticipate that Apple will perform weakly over the next few days or weeks. Consequently, we have a negative outlook for this stock. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture, we have revised our analysis conclusion from a hold or accumulate to a sell candidate since our last evaluation. After assessing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 22nd of January, we expect Apple to open lower, down approximately 493 thousandths of a dollar, starting at $222.15. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. Therefore, it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not solely rely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at StockInvest.